Okay, so today I'm gonna try dye my hair. I think very long time ago, a few days ago, my friend dyed my hair for me before we bleach, and then we spent like the entire day to do that. And today I'm just saw this kind of I'm probably late to the trend, but whatever. Recently I just really want to dye my hair because I have been having a short hair for a while and a long time, and I really liked it, so I keep cutting it every few months just to keep it short to my chin. And recently I just really wanted to grow my hair, and then I'm tired of dyeing my hair, so I think I stopped dyeing my hair for like about a year or two. And I really like my black hair, to be honest. And I think a few months ago I finally grew all my hair that have colors on it. So right now I'm basically have all my natural hair. I'm gonna ruin it again. I'm just like really tired of like full black hair. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I just saw this kind of underneath bleach dye hair. It should be a trend already, but recently I just really wanted to have that kind of hairstyles. And I also saw some like successful dyeing videos on YouTube, and I'm just gonna try it myself too. I thought you probably need somebody to help you for the back, but I saw somebody made it their own without anybody help, so I'm gonna see if I can do it myself. I only pull out like a little bit. I don't think it's a lot. I think the line, some people like do it a little bit higher because I am afraid I'm gonna ruin or like it's not gonna look good. At least I'll have all my hair on the top black to cover it up. And I really like hate the quality of like bleaching hair. At least I have like the bottom that's like bad and dying. At least I still have the top black hair to cover it up. So hopefully I won't screw it up. Yeah. Let's see. By the way, I'm like sweating like already. I'm already spent so much time trying to divide the section, and then I don't have a mirror, so I kind of like hang it on the wall. It's not even like really aligned. I mean, I guess you can see in the back. It's kind of far. So I have my plastic bag. I just kind of rip it off. And this too hollow. I feel like I can put my hands in there, like Superman cape. I don't even hate this coat though, but I'm so hot. I cannot wear something that's long sleeves. This is not my first time dyeing my hair, and we're gonna improvise anything we have. This looks good. It's gonna cover it. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna do the roots first. I'm so nervous. Oh, I haven't even pulled it out yet. Alright. I want to do like sections. I want to do 2 sections. I'm gonna divide it into 2 sections. I'm gonna do my left side first. I'll dye it. Yeah, it's not even a lot of hair. It's not even a lot of hair. I go with the safe options. I don't even know. Feels like kind of like in a lab or something. I bought the cream. They suggest it's better than the powder. I think I bought too much because I only have half of it. But we're gonna do it twice. So here we go. Why it looks so sick though? You see how sick it is? Maybe I shouldn't put it so close to me. Somewhere over there. So I can kind of see the color already. The root. I don't know why I have foamy bubbles. Because the roots should be fast, I think. I have questions. How am I supposed to wash only half of my hair? Do I wash the whole hair and then divide it again? Oh my god. I just dropped the weapon. Now we're gonna do the root. Is it too late to do the roots though? I don't know. My knees. Does my back look good? I don't even know. Okay. Maybe I can wash my hair in like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna consistently change my gloves. So I just washed half of my hair. How am I supposed to like wash my whole hair and then divide it into the section again? Like I don't think I can divide it in the same section again. I was like literally squatting in the bathtub. I kind of like it though. I think it's pretty successful. Maybe I'm too optimistic. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry, I think. Because I heard like your hair after bleach is the most fragile time after you bleach and it's wet, so I'm just gonna let it air dry, I think. So this is the first first bleach, and then I blow dry a little bit because it took too long, and I feel like I didn't wash it through everything. My skull feel kind of weird, maybe some bleach in on my skull, and I don't wanna to damage my skin, whatever. And it's kind of not as yellow as I thought it would be, but yeah, it's pretty dry. I just used like really, I took my blow dry really far away to let it dry. I think it's dry. And I'm gonna apply the second time. What's my bag look like? Can you guys see? I feel like I have a line over here. Oh my goodness. Yep. That's fine though. If my hair covered it up, that's fine. Second bleach. This is the second time I bleached my hair. It didn't look as light as I was expecting. The first time and second time it didn't look like too much difference, because the second time I didn't really leave it for too long because I don't want my hair to be damaged, so I just rinse it out like only after 10-15 minutes. But I think it's fine. And then I just do my is that toner? It smells super bad, so strong. So I'm gonna do it really quick and see what it turned out. I'm gonna wash my entire hair this time and then dry it. final look. I was like, can't wait to see it, because I saw when I put the toners on, it looks pretty dark, so I was worried, like, am I dyeing back to black? Am I dyeing back to black again? I'm pretty happy with the result. Look at this. It's nighttime already. It's like 6 or 7 o'clock already. I think I started with like, what time? 2 or 3. And I think I'm pretty happy with this. I feel like I should have dyed it more, because I pick up like a lot of my hair, like even like this, more than like the regular ponytail, because I'm so afraid, like, what if it break down? What if the quality of my hair get really bad? So I wouldn't like wanted to do too much. But now I'm pretty happy with the result. Like, I even thinking about what if I dye my hair, the entire hair this color. But no, look at this. Some of this part is not that grayish. I don't know why, because the toner was kind of liquidy. So I think it kind of like just like keep dripping down or something. I put some here, but like after 20 minutes, like they all like dripping down. It's kind of like liquidy, like kind of like slimy-ish quality. But now it's fine. I have my black hair to cover. That's why I wanted to do this kind of hair by myself. So even I make some mistake, the one with the roots especially messed up easier, because your scalp, like the heat on your scalp can make the color different from the scalp and the roots, which it happens. But I really like this color though. I always wanted to dye this kind of grayish color, and all the other little like yellowish, I think it's fine. So yeah, this is the final look, and I'm really happy with it. Even though I wish I can dye it more, maybe. It made me like wish it's like a little lighter, but it's fine. It's not very obvious, which is what I want. A little bit too yellowish, but it's fine. I like it a lot overall. So thank you guys for watching. I've been watching a lot of like this kind of video too before I dye my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy too. I think this kind of hair dyeing underneath, it's easier to succeed, even though like, because you can cover it with your black hair on the top. So yeah, only one thing is I feel like the smell is so strong. I feel like I'm gonna get cancer or something. The toner smell is so strong. I think that's why I didn't really put a lot on my scalp. That's why the color is like this on the top, because it smells so strong and it turned like gray really fast. So I was like a little worried. So I didn't want to put like too much on my scalp, because I've done my hair before, like use kind of cheap quality, and I buy it in like CVS or warm up, and then every time when I dye it, I always have like rash or allergy reaction to it. Like it got really itchy for like, it lasts for like at least 2 or 3 days. I just keep like scratching and stuff. So I'm really afraid that this is gonna make my scalp like really itchy and stuff. That's why I don't want to apply too much. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I can show my full makeup later on what it looked like, but yeah, I think today is gonna be like this. It's too late. I'm not going out and stuff. I'm not gonna put too much makeup on just for my hair. I put my eyebrow on though. A little bit closer look of this. I mean, you wanna see the back? What does the back look like? I don't even know. Oops. really like this gray hair. I wish I had more showing up. You do see it like this underneath, which I do ponytails a lot in summertime, so perfect. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.